Hey, my friends. Oh, I'm sorry. The music literally just started as I started to film this video. Anyway, this is a video that is going to go over your remote work for week 5. Yes, week 5. So if you are in your Google Classroom and go to your classwork page, your remote work is posted right here. So open this up. And it is updated the current week. Whoops. There we go. Current week is week 5. Today is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So what you're working on this week is you have attendance, and then you need to do at least one element of Create a Culture each day. If you want to do more than one, awesome. But by the time you get back here on Monday, I'm realizing all my typos. By the time you get back here on Monday, you need to be ready to share out 3 elements of your Create a Culture with a peer to receive feedback. So you need to have at least 3. If you have more, fantastic. Kiss your brain, just like that. But you need to have at least 3 parts done in your Create a Culture. As a refresher, if you are in your classwork section of Google Classroom and you scroll down to your culture topic, Create a Culture Part 1, that PDF is listed right here. You can open it up in Kami. If you have Kami, you can get your notebook and write your notes down. You can start a Google Doc, but you need to have your information recorded somewhere. And then physical geography is one element. Language is another element. Government laws and punishments is another element. So there are multiple elements: holiday, sport or activity, school or educational opportunity, clothing and clothes, food, cuisine, famous artwork. We're skipping those 2 things. And an invention. Those are all the elements. You need to do at least 3 of them for your remote work this week and be ready to share out with at least 3 to get peer feedback on Monday. Don't forget to do attendance. You go right here, your remote work, boom, are you present?